In this video, I'll show you how to curve text in Google Slides. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Slides does not currently have a built-in curved text feature, so you can't just click a button and bend text into a circle or an arc. Google's own help pages explain how to add word art, text boxes, and rotate objects, but they do not include a native curved text option. And Google Community Answers also state that curved text is not available in Slides right now. So the usual way to create this effect is with a simple workaround. Open your presentation and go to the slide where you want the curved text. Then click Insert, choose Word Art, type one letter at a time or a very short part of your text, and press Enter. Google's drawing tools support word art, and objects can be rotated and moved freely, which is what makes this method possible. Now place your first letter on the slide. After that, insert the next letter, then the next one, until your full word or phrase is on the slide. Once all the letters are there, start arranging them in a curved path. Move each letter slightly higher or lower, and rotate each one a little so the full word begins to follow an arc. This takes a bit of patience, but it gives you control over the final look. Since Slides lets you rotate shapes and word art objects, you can manually build the curved effect even without an official curve text tool. If you want to make the curve easier to line up, insert a circle shape first and use it as a guide. Place the letters around the top or bottom edge of the circle, then delete the circle when you're done. This helps keep the spacing more even and makes the text look cleaner. You can also duplicate letters or redo the spacing until it looks balanced on the slide. Another option is to create curved text in a different design tool and then upload it into Google Slides as an image. That can be faster for more polished designs, but inside Google Slides itself, the manual letter-by-letter method is the main workaround because native curved text is still unavailable. So the key thing to remember is this. Google Slides doesn't currently support curved text directly, but you can still create the effect by inserting word art, splitting the text into letters, and rotating and positioning each piece into a curve. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.